How to fix MLB sound problem. What's up guys, today I will show you how to solve and fix this issue. Let's do it. Open the settings of your device first, click on apps option and search for MLB and click. Scroll here this list down, click storage option, click clear cache. Back after that, click on force stop and click OK. You should come to Play Store or App Store and update MLB. Restart your phone when you are finished, and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in another tutorial.